Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make money in 2025 through AI-driven social media management. Let's explore how AI is reshaping this field. In 2025, several key trends are influencing AI technology that every social media manager should be aware of. Identifying profitable niches is crucial for your AI-driven social media services. Let's look at some opportunities. Setting up your AI tools is essential. Let's go through the best platforms that can help you streamline your social media management. AI writing and design tools can help automate content creation, making your job much easier. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Here's how AI can enhance customer interactions. Data analysis is key for optimizing your campaigns. Let's look at how AI can help analyze your social media metrics. Monetizing your AI skills can be lucrative. Here's how to start freelancing successfully. Let's explore some success stories of businesses that have harnessed AI in their social media strategies. In conclusion, future-proofing your strategies is essential as AI continues to evolve in social media management. Thank you for joining us.